Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of Angular 20 Bootcamp. Today we will learn about something which is very important, and that is services and dependency injection in Angular. These help us to organize our code better and make apps easier to manage. What is a service? Service is a file where we keep our common code, like getting data from the API, sharing the data between two components, writing a business logic instead of writing everything inside a component. We move our code into service. This keeps our code neat and clean. What is a service? Service is a file where we keep our common code, like getting data from the API, sharing the data between two components, writing the business logic. Instead of writing everything inside a component, we move that code into service. This keeps our code neat and clean. Let's create a service. To create a service, we will run this command: ng generate service. We will create a service in services folder, and the service name will be user. So here is our service file into this folder. This is our service file. Injectable is very special keyword. It tells Angular this service can be used, injected in other places. So this is very important decorator. It is kind of decorator. Now we will use this service in the component, in this component app.ts. Let's close all other components. Okay, so we will import here. We use this service by adding the constructor. We will declare a private variable user service. So as we declared this, as we imported this service in the root, so it will be accessible across the application. So here we will print this user data. So the idea is, here I will create user method to get users, and we will return something. Let's return some object, name Sandip, role front end mentor. Now we will fetch this data. Let me give the permission. Now we will fetch this data into this component, app.ts component. So let's implement ng on init. Ng on init is a part of lifecycle hook. on in it. To store the data of user, we will create a variable users for being now. I'm not assigning any type to this user, so let's take an let's keep it any. uh, N is the super type. This dot users, let's store the data from this user service dot get user method. Okay, now let's print this. We will comment out this app.directive pipe, and let's print user. Let's check out. Oh, it's printing object. Let's parse it into JSON. We will use the JSON pipe. It's giving error, no pipe found with the name of JSON. Okay, now we will have to import common module. So by importing the common module, you can access many predefined pipes like a date pipe, lowercase pipe, JSON pipe. So these are the predefined pipes which is provided by the Angular library. Now let's see. So here we got the data printed in app.html file. So this is we saw the example of dependency injection. Angular gives the service when we ask for it. Why use services? I will give you three major reasons. Number one, to reuse the code. Once write and use it wherever you want. Number two, it keeps component clean. And the third one, easy to test. Here is the bonus tips. Use provided in root to share the service across the whole application. Don't put UI code in a service file. Write only logic and data related code. You can also inject one service into another one. We have done a great work today. You have learned what services are, how to create and use them, and why dependency injection is useful. Tomorrow is day 5. We will learn routing and navigation to move between pages in your app. Comment below what service idea do you have for your project. Any confusion? Ask in the comments. Like, share, subscribe if this video helped you. Let's keep going. One more day to go. See you in day 5.